The 4 pillars to accumulate money faster. What I'm going to talk about here are techniques proven by T. Havakar, author of the book The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. Welcome, my name is Guilherme, and have you heard about the 90-day rule? It's the method told in the book The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, which aims to accumulate more money in what he calls accumulating wealth. It's pretty simple, but few actually do what I'm going to talk about. So stay until the end of this video to understand the whole step by step and get ahead of a lot of people. When it comes to money, people always talk. How much do you earn? Ah, Pedro got a 10% raise. Phrases like these you've certainly heard around. But it's very rare that we hear, how much is your equity worth? Or also, Pedro sold his shares and now has an equity of more than 3 million reais. And what do I mean by that? That the true measure of wealth is net worth and not income. In summary, to find your net worth, add up everything you own. Money, car, property, among others. And subtract everything you owe. And the yields, what are they? That's what it pays for you every month. The income, which in most cases will be the monthly salary. But it can also be what you receive from rents, dividends, among others. But don't worry, we're still going to talk about it. And why should you, who want to accumulate more money, focus on net worth and not just salary? Well, that's what you're going to see now. And already comment below if you knew about this difference in net worth and income. Equity consists of 4 factors. The first is, guess what, income. To begin with, there are 2 types of income, assets and liabilities. But calm down, I'll explain each of the 2 here. Asset is basically the income you earn by actively working. For example, as I mentioned earlier, your monthly salary. Liabilities are what you earn without working, without being actively there. Which are like rents you receive from tenants, dividends, return on investments, among others. But what should you really focus on in this income part? Have your active income, see ways to increase it more and more. And go after sources of passive income to further increase your monthly income. But look at this, increase in your income will not make you accumulate more money. Unless you save. Saving is essential. It's no use earning triple what you previously earned and spending it all, right? It's basically what most people do. The month starts with credit card debt. The more they earn, the more they spend. Without a good income and without making good savings, it is impossible to move on to the next factor. So focus on that first. As soon as you already see that you have started to accumulate considerable money there, you start investing. Here is the time when you will increase the amount of your money. Look, every part of this process is important. So don't stop investing. Rich people spend time in investments. Rich people spend time and energy learning how to invest. And they are proud to be excellent investors. People with a poor mentality think that investment is something for the rich and continue in the same situation. So research on investments. Study about to invest in something concrete and that gives frequent profits. Simplification. This is the underdog call. Few people give the necessary importance to it. This goes hand in hand with savings. But it consists of consciously establishing a lifestyle in which you spend less money. Look, it's simple. As the cost of living decreases, savings increase and also the amount of money to invest. This is very important, because the better you apply it, the faster you will be able to accumulate money. And where does the 90-day rule apply in this? Yeah, what I'm going to talk about now will change the game for you. Just like it changed for me too. Write down your net worth today. How much do you have right now, at this very moment? And 90 days from now write it down again. And make it a habit. Every 90 days write it down again. You will see your equity gradually increase. But of course this will only work if you are following the steps above, right? And if you want to know a solution to never run out of money, I'll leave the video here on the screen that will definitely help you.